Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Have you had a hard time finding the energy to get through your HIIT workout? Well, I have enjoyed using this C4 Sport pre-workout. I seriously enjoy using this cap full of fun energy in 8 ounces of water. I love that Cellucor has formulated a shot of energy into a favorite childhood drink, Hawaiian Punch. I make it a point to drink mine 20 minutes before my workouts. Another method I use is to shake it up and just see the frothiness, but I like to whip it with my handheld mixer most of the time. This energy drink is enjoyable, easy, and quick to help me start off my day with energy to tackle the workouts. I enjoy using this fruit punch flavor. It is yummy and it also helps me be hydrated and gives me that extra push to get through my workout. I recommend it and I know you'll love it, but that's just my point of view.